All right, we're on the Navigator of the Seas. We're actually docked in the port of San Pedro or Los Angeles, whatever you want to call it. And I'm in the main dining room on deck 3. Deck 4 has a dining, and deck 5 is a dining room. This is the floor of it though. So we're gonna walk the length of the ship here, but we're gonna go up to deck 5 to do it. And I have to wear a mask, so deck 5 it is.
Deck 5.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
But as long as we're down here on deck 3, see these things? This is the photo area where you could look at pictures of yourself. And ice skating rink is through those doors, but it's all closed today. So we're gonna go up this circular staircase and it'll be fun. I guess this is the art gallery also. Now on another ship, I think Adventure of the Seas, that was a movie studio in there, or television studio, but not on this ship. It's debark day, disembark.
Hello.
And so that's what's on everybody's mind. There's the casino in there. We're going up to 5. We have to meet in a room because we're back to back. And it's a long journey. Oh, that was closed off. I think they're decorating for Christmas. So this is the Royal Promenade. I have no idea what he's doing with that straight edge. But anyway. Now there's some music playing, so I either have to talk over it really loudly or pay copyright royalties. So I'm gonna talk really loudly, really loudly, really loudly. And I know that's annoying, but so's that music. So that's ruining my video. So anyway, Copper and Clover, that's the English pub, hair salon, haircuts too. Another one of these maps, says deck 5 on it. This is Cafe Promenade, Ben & Jerry's, that costs. A bar, that costs. Specialty coffee, that costs. But food, that doesn't cost. So this food is free if you want it. So maybe you need an apple or something. And that's Playmakers. And your meal package, your ultimate dining package is good in there, but only for $20 each. And that's the Christmas tree. We found a duck in there yesterday. That's right. And that's the Royal Theater. It's on deck 3 and 4. These are elevators, of course. There's elevators fore and aft, but none midship. We are supposed to meet in the Star Lounge at 9 o'clock. And I don't know if we're early. Oh. I don't know what they're waiting for. Anyway, this is the Star Lounge. She's on the phone.
Good morning, how are you? Good, how are you?
Just chicken.